In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Samsung Wallet. First, we need to go to the Samsung account website. This is where all your account details are managed. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL for the Samsung account website. Look for a link that says something like sign in at the top right corner. This step is crucial because Samsung Wallet uses your Samsung account email and we need to access that account to make changes. Once you're on the site, it's time to sign in. You will see fields where you can enter your email and password. Make sure you enter the email address that is currently linked to your Samsung account. Remember to double-check your credentials to avoid any login issues. A successful sign-in is important because it gives you access to all your account settings, ensuring that you can make the necessary updates without any interruptions. After signing in, look for an option labeled Profile. This is usually located in the main menu or under your account settings. Clicking on Profile allows you to see all the personal information associated with your account. This step is important because it helps you navigate to the section where you can make changes to your email address. You'll see different settings related to your account, which can help you manage your profile more effectively. From there, select Manage Samsung Account. This option typically appears within the profile settings. Clicking here will take you to a more detailed view of your account management options. This is where you can make significant changes to your account, including your email address. Having access to these management features ensures you can keep your account updated and secure, which is essential in today's digital world. Next, you will see an option labeled Email ID. Click on this to proceed with changing your email address. This step is essential because it directly relates to the email you want to update. You'll notice that this section provides clear visibility of your current email, making it easy to spot any discrepancies. Once you click on this option, you'll be directed to the area where you can initiate the change. Now click on Change. This button will allow you to enter your new email address. Be sure to choose an email that you use frequently and can access easily. This step is significant because your updated email will be used for all communications and notifications from Samsung Wallet. After clicking Change, you will be prompted to enter your new email address in a text field. This helps ensure that your account is linked to an email you trust. After entering your new email address, you will need to verify it. Look for a verification email sent to your new email address. This is a critical step because it ensures that you have access to the new email and that it is valid. Once you receive the verification email, follow the instructions provided in that email to complete the verification process. This step is crucial as it confirms your new email address. Next, enter your Samsung account password. This step is a security measure that ensures only you can make changes to your account. After typing in your password, you can feel confident that your account remains secure. This action protects your account from unauthorized access and ensures that your changes are safe. Finally, save the changes you have made. Look for a button that says Save or Confirm. Clicking this will finalize your email address update in Samsung Wallet. Once saved, you will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your changes have been successfully made. This step is important because it ensures that all your updates are recorded, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of your new email address in your Samsung Wallet.